Understanding the phrase, give credit to in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing English phrase, give credit to. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Give credit to is a phrase used to acknowledge or recognize someone's contribution, effort, or influence in a particular situation. It's about attributing success or good results to the right person or factor. For example, if you say, "We have to give credit to Sarah for her hard work," it means that Sarah's effort played a significant role in achieving success, and she deserves recognition for it. To understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. I give credit to my teacher for inspiring my love of science. This means that the speaker believes their teacher played a key role in developing their interest in science. The team should give credit to their coach for their improved performance. Here, the coach is being acknowledged for positively influencing the team's performance. One common mistake learners make is using give credit to inappropriately in situations where no recognition or acknowledgement is required. For instance, saying, "I give credit to the rain for making me wet," doesn't fit because the rain isn't a person or entity deserving of recognition. It's just a natural occurrence. There are similar phrases to give credit to that are often used interchangeably, such as acknowledge, recognize, or attribute to. For example, you can say, "I acknowledge my team's effort in completing the project." And that's a wrap on give credit to. Remember, this phrase is all about acknowledging someone's contribution or influence in a positive way. We hope this video helps you use give credit to confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.